Another question this is from Jack. How do you determine profit target and stop levels? So this goes into the system specifically. The A1 entry that I've talked to you guys about has a specific stop loss that's built into the way we tested it. So we found a pattern, a confirmation on price, a confirmation on EMAs, and the TDI. So we're getting a lot of different data and confirming an entry, seeing a repeatable pattern. And we set a specific stop loss based on that pattern. Every time that pattern presents, if you put that stop loss there, more times than not, you're going to be profitable. So that's how we determine it. It's all built into the back testing. It's never just like a random thing of like, oh, here's an entry. I don't know where I'm going to put my stop. Let's look for the next structure point and put it there. It's too simple. Like, that's not how consistent trading is done. It needs to be more detailed than that. What risk reward do I recommend? So this goes back to your system and making sure that the system you're going to trade is tested and proven profitable. My system, the ASFX signals, for all of my entries, I always am looking for at least 2 to 1. That's because the systems that we tested came out to be about 70% win rate strategies, meaning we win 7, even if you lowball it, 6 out of 10 trades. But as long as I'm getting 2 to 1 on those 6 or 7 trades, we're going to be profitable in the long run. Now, some periods of time, go back to, you remember, February, March, April, when Corona first hit, we were winning so many trades that was when I was hitting Euro CAD like day after day after day. So the market will come, it'll make it rain for you sometimes, and then it dries up. So you just have to be ready to say, hey, if there's good risk reward, these are the setups that I'm going to take, because in the long run, some months I'm going to have 20 trades, some months I'm going to have 4. Over the long run, this system will be profitable if I'm getting that 2 to 1. So I think every system is different, but 2 to 1 is a good place to start. I don't know who would risk 1 to make 1, unless you're going to win all of those trades. And I'm not the kind of person that could risk 6 or like risk 1 to make 6 but lose a bunch of trades and then win 1 and make it all back. That's not the way that I like to do it either. So you got to find what works for you. But for me, high win rate, decent risk reward, it's where I found my sweet spot.